how we enter the company of spiritual people, how we proceed spiritual existence, and we think that we are the chosen ones for the God to serve Him. Do not expect to be included in the company of spiritual people unless you have become an enemy of your whole self and have become absolutely separated from all the organs of your body and all your limbs, and have cut off all connections with your existence, with your movements and restful conditions, with your hearing and seeing, with your speaking and holding, with your effort and action, and your intelligence, and with everything that proceeds from you before your spiritual existence comes into being in you. All that will be found in you after the spiritual existence is breathed into you, because all these things constitute a screen between you and your Lord, because these are the worldly things. So then you become a soul pure and simple, secret of secrets and unseen of the unseen, positively distinct from all things in secret, and recognizing everything as an enemy and a screen and darkness. Just as Ibrahim alayhi salam, the friend of God, peace be upon him, says, surely they are an enemy to me, but not so the Lord of the worlds, who is the only friend. He said this in respect of the idols. So you should consider your whole being and your parts as idols, together with the rest of the creation, and should not obey anything out of them, and should not follow them at all. Then you will be endowed with secret and divine knowledge and rare things in it, and will be gifted with the power of creation and miracle working, which is of the type of power to be found in the possession of believers in heaven. You will be in this condition as you are resurrected after death in the hereafter. You will be wholly a manifestation of the power of God, and will speak through God, and hold through God, and walk through God, and understand through God, and will have your comfort and rest through God. Thus you will be blind to everything beside Him. You will be deaf to everything beside Him. You will not find anything existing besides Him, so long as you observe the limits of law and conform to the injunctions and prohibitions. Then if anything is amiss in you from the requirements of law, you should know that you are being tried and tempted and played with by the devil. So return to the commandment of the law and stick to it, and keep yourself clear of the low desires, because every fact which is not confirmed by the law is unbelief.